Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to share a TikTok account externally. If you want to share a TikTok account with someone outside of the TikTok platform, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Go to the TikTok accounts page that you want to share externally. You can do this by searching for the account's username or by clicking on their profile picture or username if you already follow them. Once you're on the accounts page, look for the arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the arrow icon, and a menu will appear with different sharing options. From the menu, select More. This will open up additional sharing options. Step 4. Choose the preferred option for sharing the TikTok account externally. You can select options such as Copy Link to copy the account's link and share it through messaging apps or social media. Or you can choose Share Profile to directly share the account's profile with other apps installed on your device. Thank you for watching, and enjoy sharing TikTok accounts beyond the TikTok app.